beneath the desert. If Hoer Verde was just a gas leak, why did the federal government seal 12 square miles of desert? Why were satellite images quietly removed from public databases? And why did one retired engineer say, whatever was under that town wasn't built in 1998? To understand what happened to Hoer Verde, we have to stop looking at the sky and start looking underground. In 2006, an anonymous user posted 2 satellite images online. One image showed Hoer Verde months before the disappearance. Flat desert land, ordinary layout, nothing unusual. The second image, taken later that same year, showed something different. Subtle geometric compression in the soil, perfect angles, rectangular impressions beneath the surface. Civil engineers who later analyzed the image suggested it indicated hollow space underground. Large hollow space, roughly the size of a football stadium. Within 48 hours, the images disappeared. The forum thread was deleted. The account was permanently banned. No explanation. West Texas is not random land. During the Cold War, multiple classified facilities were built across remote desert regions. Signal interception sites, experimental radar systems, subterranean testing zones. Declassified archives confirm at least 3 abandoned government installations within 50 miles of where Hoer Verde once stood. But one partially redacted document is especially interesting. It references a subterranean atmospheric research site, constructed in 1962. The listed coordinates align almost perfectly with the former center of Hoer Verde. Which raises a disturbing question. Was the town unknowingly built above an abandoned federal project? Or was it placed there intentionally? Let's go back to the radar anomaly. The circular distortion that appeared above the town that night. No storm system, no registered aircraft, no military drills. A former Air Force radar technician later claimed distortions like that only occur when powerful electromagnetic discharge interferes with radar frequency. In simple terms, massive energy was released, but radar detects what's in the air. What if the source wasn't coming down from above? What if it was rising from below? Some independent researchers believe Hoer Verde didn't vanish. They believe it collapsed inward. If a large underground structure existed beneath the town, and something failed, the ground could theoretically give way. But here's the problem. There was no visible sinkhole. No surface rupture. No collapsed infrastructure. Later ground scans revealed stable terrain. Almost as if whatever was underground was reinforced or contained. Residents from nearby towns rarely speak about Hoer Verde on record. But privately, some have shared unsettling details. One rancher claimed the ground vibrated that night. Not like an earthquake. More like heavy machinery powering up beneath the earth. Another reported that livestock refused to graze near the abandoned perimeter for months. Dogs howled toward the fenced land at night. Compasses malfunctioned. Soon after, the area was declared a restricted environmental hazard. No contamination report was ever released. No explanation provided. Then came the record deletions. Birth certificates from Hoer Verde residents stopped appearing in digital state archives. School records were sealed. Property deeds were quietly transferred into federal holding. Online obituary databases show no listings. It wasn't just that people disappeared. Their documentation did too. Names, histories, proof of existence, systematically removed. So what happened beneath the desert? Was Hoer Verde built over a classified Cold War installation? Did an experimental energy project reactivate? Was something contained beneath the town? And then triggered? Or was the entire town part of something larger from the beginning? 312 people, No relocation records. No remains. No explanation. The sky may have shown a distortion. But the desert kept its secret underground. And if something was activated that night, who says it was shut down? Some towns are abandoned, some are destroyed, and some are absorbed. Right finger if you're ready for part 3, where we uncover leaked engineer testimony and the document labeled Restricted Zone 12 inches, stay with Shadow of Liberty. Because the deeper we dig, the quieter it gets.